Okay. Now just type in chat section. How many of you think that this correction means there is a slowdown or this correction is there in the market like that? So market may correct further. How many of you think yes or no that may further correct? Just ping in chat section. That's it. You are feeling it will correct further, yes or no? That's it.
Neeraj, I don't think it's gonna correct, but I have a feeling that it's accumulating in the as a segment, like you drawn that rectangle, no?
Correct.
It is accumulating there. I feel so, but I'm not sure.
That is also good thought process. Okay, now how many of you think there may be a recession or no current correction recession next 1-2 year?
No, I don't think so.
इंडिया में तो I don't think there will be recession.
Okay, no recession yet. Okay, so now one I think very important point which has happened actually now. US is telling they will not reduce interest rate. They'll keep it at an elevated level. Okay. Now what happens is when the rates are high, अभी उन लोगों का जितना भी कम कॉस्ट में जो फंडिंग हुआ था स्मॉल स्टार्टअप्स ये वो जितने भी लोगों को हुआ था फंडिंग, अभी उन लोगों का कॉस्ट क्या हो गया, बढ़ गया. करेक्ट. अभी उन लोगों को इंटरेस्ट पे करना है. ऑलमोस्ट पहले तो जीरो था. करेक्ट. नाउ इट हैज जस्ट 5%, ऑलमोस्ट हाईएस्ट फ्रॉम 2007 लेवल. ठीक है. तो ये एक थोड़ा सा कंसर्न है. वहां पे आपका कॉस्ट ऑफ फंडिंग हाई है. ठीक है. बट नाउ आई विल शो वन वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट indicator जो last time also we discussed. Okay, if you see number of latest, I'll just scan it. It'll just take 1 second. Okay, live. So what we will try to do now is we will see, like last time I have discussed, we will see number of stocks making new high compared to stocks making new
Low.
low. Why this? In technicals I have discussed this so many times. So why we are saying this? What this will show?
Strength.
हाँ, अभी मार्केट का स्ट्रेंथ क्या है? तो अभी सपोज new highs are 50. Say total number of stocks we are analyzing is 500. In that 500 stocks, say number of stocks making new high is 20. Number of stocks making new low is 70. What does it indicate? Strength or
Market
weakness?
weakness.
Weakness. Very good. If yeah, go.
No, it's not me.
Huh. Okay. Someone has any question? Okay. Now suppose number of stocks making new high is 70. Number of stocks making new low is 20. This shows
Strength.
strength. Very good. Okay. Now suppose it is 50-50. Then
Consolidating.
consolidating, or we don't know what is happening.
We
Correct.
don't know.
But
It's not clear.
but mostly because equal number of stocks are making new low, that also means, why I'm taking this example is that also means that we should be careful.
Yes, cautious.
करेक्ट है ना. कॉशियस हो जाओ थोड़ा सा. करेक्ट. ये भी एक बहुत अच्छा जो जनरली अपन मिस कर देते हैं. अपन लोग एक्सट्रीम पॉइंट लेते हैं, या तो बुलिश हो जाते हैं या एकदम नेगेटिव हो जाते हैं. ठीक है. बट उसमें तीसरा भी लाइन है केयरफुल या कॉशियस. ठीक है. विच इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. वाई दिस इज इंपॉर्टेंट इज अगर आपके पास आपके लिस्ट में कोई है इंपॉर्टेंट स्टॉक, जैसे फॉर एग्जांपल मेरा फेवरेट फोल्डर है. ठीक है. बाइंग लिस्ट में या रेगुलरली आई वांट टू फॉलो दी स्टॉक्स. सी यार स्वप्निल जी और यश पक्का.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes, यार
Okay.
यश पक्का तो
हाँ.
मेरा 90 रुपीज से यहाँ आ गया.
हाँ सही है. जबरदस्त कर रहा है. Okay. Then we have RECL. So I keep following this stock. Okay. RECL maybe in consolidation zone. Then your Mazda. So all these are my in watch list. Okay. So I keep track every day. I just go check once what is happening like that. Okay. So there is a point where you be cautious and suppose these stocks, for example, Jindal Photo. Now Jindal Photo, suppose you get somewhere around say 550, 500. A good point to start taking small position. Correct. Now this is clear. Correct. So this is clear. New high, new low, how number of stocks. So now let's see here. Can you tell me how many latest, how many stocks are making new high and how many stocks are making new lows here? This I have scanned. How many stocks are making new high?
291,
And new lows?
45. Strength in the market.
There is a strength in the market still. So though you feel that market is coming down, but you can see the strength is there. Okay. Now I will put here Nifty. Okay. Now why Nifty here? Okay. So, and can you tell me what is this below indicator? Below indicator is difference between, that means 246 stocks are making new high. Correct?
Yes.
If I minus 291 minus 45, net 246, and this is the indicator. If more number of stocks, this goes up. You're getting over why I have put this in graph and above in bar chart. Okay. So what is happening is, now above is Nifty. Now anyone can tell me the difference in July, September, and now? What is the difference? So that will really give you very good insight actually, if you can observe. So this is like someone coming with high or low BP, and we are analyzing with some instrument how the BP is going, high or low, just to give you a hint.
In a zone.
Huh? In this, what is the difference between here and here in green and red?
Volume.
No.
Okay.
Anyone?
Support from the buyers.
No.
It is in a zone, maybe.
Zone is there, but what is the difference? Okay, I'll tell. See what we have to observe here. How many stocks are making new highs? You can see this high, 492 stocks, net 455, correct? Here, this high, this market crossed above this previous high, correct? Nifty, correct? You can see this. Market made a new high, correct? Here.
Yes.
Correct, no? But number of stocks making new high is how much?
488.
488. यहाँ पे क्या हो रहा था? ज्यादा number of stocks. जब यहाँ पे था 726. But here how many? 400.
480.
300 stocks less. तो क्या होना है अपने को थोड़ा सा ध्यान रखना है. आप समझ रहे हो मेरे को? एक मार्केट देखो चिल्ला चिल्ला के बोल रहा है कि मैं कंसोलिडेशन फेज में हूं, मैं जल्दी से भागने की जल्दी में नहीं हूं. You're getting a point what I'm trying. See, this is so minute, but it's so important. At the base, you have maximum number of stocks. So here someone was thinking that market is going down. Actually, market was very, very strong, correct? Because number of stocks making new highs was very high. But here, when market actually makes new high, you see the number of stocks making new high has come down, correct? You're getting a point. Anyone has any doubt? Very, very important. When you're doing technical analysis, it's very important. मतलब मजा आ रहा है कि नहीं देखने में एनालिसिस?
Yes.
आप समझ रहे हो ना? तो ये चीज कभी भी टेक्निकल एनालिसिस कर रहे हो ना, तो इसको कभी मिस मत करो, ठीक है? प्लस क्या है कि आप अगर मान लो अभी लग रहा होगा कि अब देखो, दूसरा एक और इंटरेस्टिंग पॉइंट है, सी कब बाइंग जोन था, यहाँ पे देखो क्या हुआ, ये मार्केट करेक्ट हुआ, यहाँ पे मार्केट करेक्ट हुआ, करेक्ट? तो लोएस्ट पेसिमिज्म वाज हियर एट द बॉटम, करेक्ट? ये जोन पे, करेक्ट? ये देखो,
Yes.
करेक्ट, दैट वाज द लोएस्ट पेसिमिज्म, करेक्ट? अब यहाँ पे जो करेक्ट हुआ है इस लेवल पे, न्यू लोस, एंड द न्यू लोस मेड हियर, दैट इज हियर इट इज मैक्सिमम पेसिमिज्म, करेक्ट? बट क्या हुआ सडनली आफ्टर दिस गैप अप, यू सी दिस गैप अप, करेक्ट, इन अप्रैल, and this move, suddenly you see this all is gone and new number of stocks making new high is much higher compared to stocks making new low. Matlab, this was the time to start accumulating your good stocks which is in your stock list, correct? आप समझ रहे हो why this is so important?
Yes.
And that is where you get that, yes, I want to enter, I want to buy more RACL. जो मेरे बाइंग लिस्ट में RECL कहाँ पे था यहाँ पे. See, if I have to put RECL here in the same, I'll double click here so that point will be there here. देखो एग्जैक्ट वही पॉइंट पे अपन लोग ऐड किया और 950 रुपए में, क्योंकि वो तो गिरने के लिए रेडी नहीं है. अपन डिस्कस भी किए थे लास्ट टाइम, वी डिस्कस लास्ट टाइम, करेक्ट. RECL is not ready to go down. See, only side consolidation. Yes or no? See, that gives you confidence to enter. If you don't do that analysis, you will not have confidence to add more RECL. So it's
Yeah.
like, then what happens is you are adopting not only fundamental, you're also adopting some scientific approach also towards your buying and selling, correct? See, this is so pinpoint, correct? You are following, I am following. Every day you see, okay, market going, how is RECL, your stock list, and then you see, okay, bang, this is what is happening. Okay, you get, go enter like that. See, so this will give you confidence. Randomly, if you enter, just you will not have confidence. Now, with this analysis, you enter, you have the confidence to hold, correct? That is what I'm trying to tell. Okay. So any other doubts? So I'll move to next analysis. Correct. So now we are in which zone now? Okay, means already itna you have got the momentum, it is up. So now you have to be very, very specific, correct? Do your fundamental technical, but nothing to be too much worried. But yes, we have to be a little cautious like that. Whenever you say, Abhi, for example, you want to buy Mazda. Okay. So what you do, you don't go just enter all your 2 lakhs. If I want to invest, I will not go at one go. Maybe I'll invest 25,000, 50,000. Again, it comes down again 50,000, 20,000. Again, it comes down again 25, 50,000. Doesn't come, okay, leave it. Next stock. How much it comes, no problem. As correct. Okay. Some other interesting stocks now I want to discuss. Any other doubt till now?
No, Neeraj.
No, no. Take it. Okay. Now some other stocks we will discuss.
So, Neeraj, according to you, market is consolidating currently?
Yes. So if you are doing your fundamental analysis, but
Oh,
if you are planning to buy some stock, don't go very aggressive. You may get an
oh,
opportunity to buy some support zone at support level
oh,
like that.
oh,
Correct. But start accumulating. So now you cannot say, okay, I will wait only when market will correct, I will buy. Okay. Now,
okay,
now the idea should be, okay, I have got some good stock. Valuations are looking reasonable. I will buy, but I'll enter slowly like that. But I will start accumulating. That is for sure. Like that.
okay, okay.
Okay. Okay. Now I'll remove this. Now some interesting stocks which I want to discuss. Okay. From my list. So this Pravac communication. So because we do PMS, I'll not take the name of the fund. Okay. One PMS has taken a good position in this company. Someone wants to do fundamental or technical analysis. I want to see how this company goes. What you can do analysis. Their company is doing has become very aggressive. But I did my analysis. I have found I don't have much idea about this sector. So they into hospitality business. So I don't have much idea about the company. So I don't want to buy. Okay. So this is just because we have a closed group. I'm just sharing the information. Another interesting stock is KCP Sugar. Why this is interesting? 400 crore of market cap. 475 crore of market cap. What is the investment? Investment value?
14 crore.
250% you are getting, almost 40% is investment only.
Yes.
Good, no? Okay. But borrowings are also there. 185 crore. So if this starts coming down, which you see here, which has slowly started coming down now. So if this starts coming down again, then it will be a very good candidate for re-rating. Okay. Because the sugar unit is little loss making. So like that. So that is one very interesting stock which I'm covering. Then Artemis. Okay, so this technically we have taken the position, correct? And this is not going down, even if market is going down. So this, we are right actually. We have got a very good stock actually, Artemis, correct? Everyone remembers we entered this technically somewhere around 130, 135 or 140. Okay, so
Yes,
this is
yes.
doing good, and this is at near all-time high, correct? And volumes also, if you see on the downside, is little less. Weekly, if I convert, again it may consolidate. So see, don't get excited. Okay, when you see daily, you will see near moving average. But what we have to see is weekly or monthly. Monthly where it is so far from 106, correct? In weekly, it is around 142. So again, let it come around some 142, or it will consolidate around 155 to 160 next 1 or 2, 3 weeks, and then again it may start going up like that. Okay. Escorts, amazing. Ethos, now somewhere around 1500 can be a good entry point, correct? Correct, no, 1500 can be a good entry point. Jindal Photo, Stainless, KCP, KDDL I also mentioned. So if I want to enter Ethos, which one I'll buy?
KDDL.
KDDL, correct? So somewhere around 2000 can be a good point, correct, to enter. Now current price is 1980. So somewhere around 1800 is a good price to enter, correct? Like that. Kirloskar already we have entered. Okay. Kriti Nutrients we already entered technical, correct? Same price it is going. Mazda also good stock. Boltec, this one, no, Boltec Technologies I have not discussed. So this one they are doing, they have entered into US, they are into US market, into engineering services and all. So they have designed manufacturing line for Tesla also. Okay. And they are getting some very good orders. Only thing here which I got some if you see promoter holding. So if you see promoter holding, what is happening? Promoter holding has increased, correct? From 49 came down, again increased, but still
Yes.
lower than 2021. Okay. So this is one little concern for me, that though they have again increased, but if you read the con call, they are very bullish. Okay, they have told. So देखो अभी क्या होगा ना? Now I'll tell you one very subtle. This one, see here what they are telling. They are very bullish. Okay.
Moltech packaging and Moltech technologies are same.
Same group company. लेकिन ये अलग है. Packaging is separate, technology is separate. Okay. Here, if you see, very few companies are coming, but we are patiently waiting for a proper target. Once we have that, we wish to improve and move into structural designing and architecture, where we are much value add. Opportunity size, here. See what is telling, the outlook for next 2 to 3 years is very good. Correct? And somewhere they have mentioned it is like here only our civil work has established monumental building structure. You can see here, correct? United, where they have worked for Amazon warehouse. They have some structural design in US. So basically they're into US. Okay. They started in 2010. They also worked in World Trade Center. Okay. So very good portfolio actually. Okay. So I was telling lithium. Now you can see here they have worked with for Tesla 1819, correct? You can see the screen, correct? Now you see what he's selling. So with this relationship, I see a great future ahead in next 2 to 3 years, correct? This is clear.
Yeah, Neeraj.
Now, now if it is so great, अभी जैसे माजदा क्या बोल रहा है? माजदा बोल रहा है मेरे को फाइट करना पड़ रहा है, ये है वो है, और फूड डिवीजन एक्सपेंड कर रहा है. ये क्या बोल रहा है? कि भाई मैं बहुत बहुत अपॉर्चुनिटी है, बहुत कुछ हो रहा है, सब कुछ हो रहा है, ठीक है, बट अगर इतना अच्छा हो रहा है तो यहाँ पे प्रमोटर होल्डिंग क्यों नहीं बढ़ रहा है? Next to 3 years is so good, correct? If promoter
Yeah.
holding increases, suppose here you see suddenly 52% increase, means 2-3% increase, then what happens is that gives you confidence. You're getting a point.
Yes.
Okay. और second way to look at is September 22 to December 22, जहां पे उन लोग स्टेक बढ़ाए, ठीक है, तो अभी September 22 to December 22, where it is September and December 22, September and December, this is the zone, correct? तो अभी 100 रुपीज में मिलेगा तो वी विल आल्सो एंटर, करेक्ट? यू गेटिंग अ पॉइंट? ऑलरेडी 3x हो गया ना स्टॉक. So your risk reward is where? So maybe if you get somewhere here, okay, again 200 rupees you enter. That is what I'm trying to tell. Good accumulation at this zone, correct? So that is what I was telling. If now this stock correction, this stock market correction gives you an opportunity to accumulate this stock somewhere around 200, it will be a good opportunity. That is what I'm trying to tell. Hope this is clear, like why I was showing that new high, new low, and how to approach your individual stock like that. Hope you are getting what I'm trying to tell, correct?
Yeah.
Yes, yes.
Okay. It is so subtle, but this is how it will help you analyze. Okay. Good. Then some other opportunity. Narayan, one
करो
more.
गेट करो.
Sorry.
नहीं sorry.
No problem. No problem. Okay. So now Narayan Hudale, one very good. If you read the con call, very good, honest management. So if I have to rate after Mazda, I'll just Narayan Hudale is also one very good management. Okay. You can I have kept in the watch list. If it comes somewhere around 950, 850, good candidate to accumulate. Okay, for long term. Paka Limited. Okay, so this was already recommended by bought or noticed by Swapnil ji. So this is doing good. Huge in terms of market opportunity. They have huge market opportunity. They're into packaging. Huge market opportunity. Okay, but I don't know. Suddenly, there is no news actually, but I don't know why the stock is going up. Okay, so I have some position in the stock, but yeah, that is, now Realtel. This is one stock which I am little bullish on the stock. Okay, and I'll recommend also to start slowly adding the position. If once you do, you can do your fundamental analysis. But here, what I feel is why I'm little bullish is if you see that data center and all, anything related to railways in a technical side, in terms of data center or in terms of so the technical part, the order goes to Realtel. Okay, so this stock can be a multi-bagger in next 5 to 6 years. Okay, so very huge opportunities there actually in railways. So whenever you're free, you can see this is in my radar. I have taken a small position, but slowly I'll increase now. Okay. Ramkrishna Forging, this con call, if you listen, okay. Anyone has read Ramkrishna Forging, heard con call? So if you see new highs, can you see this new high, continuous new high? You would have not seen any chart like this. Consistently with 10,000 crore market cap, rare to see chart like this. If you listen to their con call, they are very bullish. Okay, and they are still telling they will expand little margins. So very good, very bullish next 3 years.
Yeah, continuously they are bagging orders,
Yes,
Neeraj. I'm
yes.
following up from last 1 year.
Huh.
Every quarter they will have some, orders
Yes,
that
yes.
they're getting some big companies.
Very true. Very true. In fact, you see this, we focused on RACL, but that day if I would have scanned and I would have got this Ramakrishna, maybe I would have entered Ramakrishna and see the level we would have got 300 rupees, correct? You can see this, correct? Like that. So
Yeah.
very good stock. Other company Sanghi, this is what very interesting. Now why Sanghi I want to discuss is they have come up with an they are acquiring the stake 115 rupees. They have come with open offer. अभी see क्या हुआ यहाँ पे ना, how charts can help you see from 115 it is 110 115 is continuously trading at those levels, correct? Companies loss making, so many things are there. Okay, but See, if the stock is trading at the same zone, once the takeover is done, I'm sure this stock will do very good actually. Okay. So good to take some small position. Okay. Because promoter has changed. That means whenever you see the promoter is changing means promoter is aggressive. As we know, Adani has taken over Sanghi. So this may also, even if it becomes multi-bagger, I'll not be surprised. Okay. So can have a small position and hold this stock. But yes, only major risk is if there is some legal, legal issues are going on with Adani group. So that is one major uh, risk here. Okay. But if those things are not there, they're able to manage Adani group, then this stock may do very good actually. Okay. So I have position here, just a disclaimer. So, right. Okay. But how, see, this chart really helps you actually to understand how consolidation is happening, correct? How the stock is cornered actually. Okay. But if there is a bad news, obviously, then no one can stop it. It may go down. Okay. Like, and they have very big plans and they're planning to double the capacity, Sanghi. And Sanghi is lowest cost producer in India at a single location. They have the biggest single location cement plant in India, clinker production. Okay. So that is also one good part with this company. Tata Motors, we have discussed so many times, all-time high. Tejas Network, we have discussed. So one PMS is also holding this Tejas Network. Okay. West Coast, cheapest stock in terms of price to earning. Okay. Very stable stock. So someone wants to buy, leave it 4 or 5 years, have a put little aggressive, but FD kind of return, more than FD kind of return, this is good stock. See, trading 5 times, correct? See, return on capital, return equity, operating margin, very sticky business. Debt is almost debt free because 1,000 crore of profit, a small debt of 230 crore, that may be mostly working capital. Very good company, West Coast Paper. Okay. So these are the interesting stocks which we wanted to discuss. And I wanted to discuss about holding company, discount, DVR, and so many other things we discussed, correct? KDDL and all. And how to see the temperature of the market, most important. Okay, and that how it can help you in entering the stock. So all that I want to discuss. Hope you all enjoyed the session. Any other doubts you can ask me, then we'll have next session very soon.
Yes, thanks. It was a very, very informative
Thank you,
session.
Neeraj.
Thank you.
I
Please
Very,
mean,
very.
give
it
your,
was a different perspective. I mean, completely that we never even thought.
yes. So please share your inputs in the group. Okay, so that others are
Yeah.
motivated and don't miss the session. Others also don't miss the session. Okay. Like that. Okay. Thank you so much. Okay.
Okay, Neeraj.
Have a great day.
Have
Happy
a nice
Dashara.
day. Yeah.
Happy Dashara to all of you in advance. Okay.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Thank you. Same to you.
Thank you. Thank you all.
Thanks, Neeraj.
Thank you.
Thank
It was
you.
very informative session. Thank you so much.
Yes. Thank you. Thank you.
Yeah,
Thank
and
you.
wish you a happy Dasara.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Bye.
Thank you. Bye. Thank you.
Thank you, Neeraj. Wish you
Thank
happy
you.
Dasara.
Thank you all of you. Thank you. Same to you. Thank you.